In this new video of Tecnoguías, I'm going to show you how you can share the plane the thing plane in your history. This is because your Instagram account is restricted. Okay, we can see the app information and go to permission, and we verify the permission all is activate, and we are go to storage. In storage we can see the option the clear cache. Go Instagram now, and if you enter and comment very post, is Instagram restricted because it doesn't good for your account. But this is for 3 days only. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.